Hi, my name is Madalena, as you already know, and today I'm going to introduce you to Chaturanga, how to avoid injuries and how to learn to go in the pose in the right way. There are actually 3 rules that I'm going to introduce you today, which I find them like the most important. We're going to use the blocks so that we know that we're getting the right pose, and that's the way that you can actually practice at the beginning. First rule is people are collapsing in the lower back. So when you're in your all fours, trying to engage your core in so that you're hugging the belly in, the belly button closer to the spine. So instead of having the shoulder blades like this, you want them to have them wide, so that you're expanding and you feel strong in your arms. That's the first thing. Second thing, people have the impression that when you're going in Chaturanga, you need to go with your elbows back. If you're going with your elbows back, the block is falling down. So what you need to do, first thing, is when you're planting your hands so your wrist is in line with your shoulder, your knees hip distance apart. We're going to start with your knees down. It depends on your strength, whatever variation feels good. But what I'm interested in, I'm hugging my belly in, so my lower back, it's not collapsing, it's actually engaged. And then from here, I'm actually keeping my wrist in line with my elbow. I'm moving forward and I'm going down. And I'm coming up. I'm going down and I'm coming up. So no going here or here, because that's not good for your joints. What you wanna do, again, you're finding the alignment wrist, elbow. From here, moving your waist slightly forward, you're looking forward and you're bending forward and coming back. Bending forward and coming back. Engaging your core. First thing, we tend to do in Chaturanga to do something like this. We're going super much down. Like, shh. That's not the point. You see my shoulders are going forward. What I want to do, I want to open my chest. I want to be open here. And to keep that when I'm going down, I'm engaging my core. I'm opening my shoulders. So when I'm here, I'm using the other block, which you're going to figure out the distance for you, like it's pretty much 3 fingers from my hand. So I'm planting myself, I'm hugging my belly in, I'm leaning forward, looking forward, and I'm coming until my shoulders is reaching. And then I'm coming back. It's already very challenging without being in plank. So already here, I'm strong in my hands, I'm looking forward, I'm bending forward, and I'm coming back. Trying this, and you're going to notice how does it feel in your body, and if you feel stronger, and if you feel a little bit more engaged. Because what happens, if I'm removing the blocks, when you are in plank, and you're going in Chaturanga, we tend to do this. And then we're collapsing. And that's not what we want to do. Because that's why when you're going in Cobra or upper facing dog, you're here. You don't have the space and you put a lot of pressure on the lower back. What you want to do, so let's say that you're in plank, you shouldn't, I don't like shouldn't, but you can try not to go so down. So from here, you're in plank, I'm moving my way forward, looking forward, I'm bending, and I'm sliding forward. But you see, I didn't go so far. So if I'm going back to plank, I'm coming here, it's already challenging, bending the elbows, and sliding, and coming back. So even here, you can use the blocks. You're positioning them, hand, oopsie, You're coming in plank, moving forward, bending, and sliding. Down and facing dog. Oopsie. I hope it helped. One last trick for you, so that you know if you're collapsing, if you're going too much with the shoulder, with your chest, or if you're going too much with your belly, you can actually position the blocks. You can have the blocks here or here. Let's see which one is the right version for me in this moment. And I want to see if I'm collapsing with my belly or with my chest. Theoretically, I should reach in the same time my belly and my chest with both. So I'm here, I'm going, and I reached in the same time. What happens is that many times we're going here with your chest forward. So you're collapsing with the chest, putting pressure on the shoulders because the shoulders are coming forward. I want to open, and then from here, coming with both. What can happen as well, not engaging your core, you're going here. And that's also not great. So you can try with your both first with your knees bent, going down, and it's slightly easier. Or coming up and then engaging, gaze forward, moving slightly forward, and coming back. Awesome. I hope it helped you today. Practice a little bit more time. Notice how it feels in your wrists. Where do you put the pressure if your chest is open? And let me know what you think about it. Namaste. If you like the practice, subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to actually share more and more how to do for you, so I make your practice a little bit easier. Thanks a lot, and see you next time.